Their work complete, are headed back to the lab. Testing, 1, 2...
Welcome. In this video tutorial, let me show you how to install a sticker with tools that you can find around. At first, there are some tools and materials you may need. A piece of rag, any kind of knife, a tape, surely come in handy, something for cleaning the surface, and a piece of cardboard, for example. You can always use the sticker itself, instead of a tape, to hold it in place. Just peel off the part of wax paper, find the right position and continue from one side to another. If you create a fold, do not worry. Peel off the sticker as far as the fold is and then again carefully sleek the sticker back on the surface. Check for bubbles. Reflection of the light will help you find them. To get rid of bubbles, use a knife, a pin or a needle and push the air towards the puncture. And it is done.